Balitan. Dito lang.
He's a bit busy and I wanna frustrated. Now and Haggard look. So she doesn't want to be seen. Let's go downstairs.
You do.
Wait, where's the supply?
Sa bag.
Oh, okay, it's in here. Don't break it.
Well. Stop. Dami na.
Now I got the bag. I'm gonna drink water. Let's go.
Bag ka.
It's water.
Hindi ka po yung takbo.
So long. Go down here. I'm gonna set up my computer.
Uy.
Uy, laptop.
Hindi ka na sunod.